Welcome back to EducateTube.com. My name's Sipsky, your host. Today I'll be showing you how to make a mini heater stove out of pop can. It's very simple. All you need is a pop can and 2 or 3 charcoal and you're ready to go. Okay? Shouldn't cost you more than 10 cents to make one of these devices. Alright, let's get started. I'll show you how to make one. Okay, the first thing you need is a cola bottle like this one here, and you need also the charcoal, about 2 or 3 of them. Okay, you need a lint. You can get that from your dryer, like all the clothes that might have left over these lint. You need a fluid starter, and of course scissors to cut the aluminum can, the pop can. You need a little hand drill to drill into it, okay, to make the holes, and you need a tongue to hold the pop can, transfer into a pot. Okay, so the first thing you do is you're going to drill a hole on the bottom, about 6 or 7, maybe up to 8 holes, to allow the air circulation to move through the charcoal when you burn them. Okay, so it's going to go from the bottom up, or the bottom to the side. You can see I'm drilling a hole one at a time, up to, Okay, so once you drill enough hole on the bottom, we're now going to drill a hole on the side. As you can see here, I'm going to try to drill maybe as many as 12 holes along the side, right, almost to the middle of the pop can, right. The key to this is to distribute the air, not just on the bottom, but also on the side and as well from the top. So there's a good air circulation moving through. In other words, there's enough oxygen that's flowing through the charcoal, so to provide a lot of complete combustion, okay, as much as possible. Okay, as you can see, I tried to drill as much hole as I can, right up to the middle, right? So you can see there's all holes everywhere on the side, right? So we're ready to go. Alright, as you can see, we have all the holes all around the side. The next step is to drill one hole near the can lid, right? What we're going to do is we're going to cut that so we can open the top. Now we're going to save the pop can lid for the next project, the oil lamp project, using a pop can lid. You can check the upper right hand corner on how to go about doing that. It's quite easy. So we're going to save this, the lid, pop can lid, for other projects. Oh, oops, it fell. Okay, anyway. Okay, we're ready to light up the heat stove. So the first thing I do is I put the lint inside the stove, and we're going to soak it up with the fluid lighter. Okay, you're going to want to soak it as much as you can. Allow it to burn for at least a minute. So try to just make the lint absorb those lighter fluid. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put the charcoal on top of that, maybe 2 or 3 of them. Okay, so I'm placing the charcoal on top of the lint that has the lighter fluid on it. Okay, so I put 3 of them in there. Okay, the charcoal briquette. The next step, of course, is to light it up, and that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, so we lit it up, and you can see. Okay, now you have a pretty good flame. Now this is not the time where you actually use this as a heater stove. You actually want to wait till this flame go out, and the next stage, of course, is the smoke. Okay, I'll show you in a minute. Once this flame goes out, then there's going to be smoke, and you want to wait till that smoke goes out as well, until when you look inside the can, the charcoal has amber light and there is no smoke, and you get ashes on top of the charcoal briquette, and that's when it's ready to be used as a heater. Okay, so I'll show you what I mean by that. Okay, you can see a lot of smoke coming out. This is the second stage of the heat stove. Again, you do not want to use this to heat up your body. It smells, and also there's a lot of carbon monoxide that's coming out from this. And by the way, when you're doing this experiment or trying to make this heater stove, make sure you do this outdoor. Okay, this is not for indoor, because carbon monoxide is produced because of the charcoal briquette being burned and not burned efficiently. You want to wait till the smoke goes out, and then when the amber light comes out, that's when we're ready to use it as a heater. Right, I'll show you what it looks like now. Right, so here you see amber light from the charcoal briquette. You can see the ashes on the surface and the amber light probably right in the middle. Right, this is very good. This is when you're ready to use it to warm up your body. Again, still has to be used outside, as there is some amount of carbon monoxide that may be produced, but you can see there's no smoke and there's no flame. This is just right. This is burning efficiently. Okay, but still use it for outside. Okay, so we're ready to warm up my body here. Okay, so yeah, you have 2 or 3 charcoal. It's burning efficiently because you can see the amber light and the ashes on top of it. There's no smoke coming out, and it keeps me warm for about 2 or 3 hours. Okay, so hopefully you can do one yourself. Very simple. EducateTube.com.